Hey there everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Now what I have here is the Vivo V40 Lite 5G in Malaysia. Yeah, so this device is going to be launching on October 2024. So we're going to check out what's in the package first. So this is the V40 Lite. As you can see, it's come in the sealed up box. So this is a 12 gig of RAM, 256 GB of ROM, silver color. So let's go and check it out. I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, let's go. Time to remove this thing up. Let's go in. Alrighty, so here it is, the phone. Let's check what's inside. Wow, you got a TPU case. Love it. Nice. Some paperwork. That's normal. And then you have a Vivo flash charge adapter as well. So it maxes out at 80 watt. That's cool. That's nice. So you also get the Type-C to Type-A cable as well. So let me put the things aside. Here's the phone. Ooh, I like the new camera bump layout. It's nice. So we have to pull this tab. Pull it out. Okay. Do it slowly. Because this is a loan review unit. So we gotta keep it nice. Ooh, check out the silver. It's nice. Check it out. The reflection is nice. And check out the side chrome. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So there's a screen protector being applied as well. Nice. Love it. It's felt light as well. Flat display. Flat corner rounded sides. I like it. You see? Not bad. Let's fire it up first. So at the bottom you can able to see the USB Type-C charging port. Your SIM card slot is over here. Speaker grill, bottom. On the left side there's nothing much. Here is your power button with the volume rocker. Yeah, basically not bad. So let me go and start it up first. For the quick impression, I'm only able to limited to tell you few things. So the first one is that this Vivo V40 Lite has IP64 rating. Truly tremendous. So you don't have to worry when you need to take it for a wet condition. Yeah, it just works well. Pretty durable. So especially if you are going to take the device for extreme weather condition usage, it will last you. So check it out. All the borders is wet and it's still operable. Next up, let's talk about the battery on the Vivo V40 Lite. It's packing a 5000 mAh battery and supports the 80 watt fast charging. As I showed you just now early on, it has the flash charge 80 watt adapter included in the box. And also, for an entry-level smartphone, Vivo is claiming that the battery here can retain at least 80% throughout 4 years of usage. So I think it's truly wonderful. So you can always check out your battery health status as well. So you can go to the settings, go to battery, and again, go to battery health and charging, and you can check out the battery health of your device.